In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove lens on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Snapchat app, and then you will be able to add any lens, any filter to your Snapchat camera. You can just select any of them. Then once you find one that you want to delete, let it to be that one, just for example. All you have to do is just hit at that eye icon at the top left, and then hit at remove lens. This says this will remove the lens from your carousel. If you want to remove it, just hit at remove. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.